Hey guys, my name's Anfield here, and today I'm going to be showing you the Apple wireless keyboard. So I've done an unboxing of this and I'm now going to do a review. So I've used it for the last couple of days. I got it for Christmas and it was to use with my iPad. It works really well with it, because they're both made by Apple as well. So I'll just show you a tour of it. So here you have the normal keyboard like you would find on all keyboards. There are F keys, F1 to F12, as well as Apple convenience keys. You won't be able to use this on Windows, but for Apple users, like on the iMac and stuff like that, they're very useful. For the iPad as well, they're not very useful because they can't really use this. The only ones that really do work are the brightness ones, which are these here, that one and that one, as well as the noise sound, which is that one, that one and that one. So, oh yeah, and I think these three work as well. But the F6 and F5, they're just random keys, they don't have anything on them. Yeah, so you have your keyboard here. Underneath, you have the Apple thing there. I'm not sure if you can see that, I'll just zoom it, or just bring it closer to you. Yep, if you can see that in the light. I think you can see that, yeah, but there's an Apple thing. So there's some rubber thingies down there, and one here. It takes two batteries, as you can see here. Oh no, I can't open it up. It takes two batteries over here, you just put them in there. You can open this up with a coin. And then on the other side of this cylinder type thing, there is a power on button. So let's just power it on. Right, so it's on now. There's a green light that shows you that it's on. So now it will work. So if I just get my iPad up, I drew that. Yeah, but I moved it back a bit. But it now does work. It's connected. Does it automatically. Once you've done it for the first time, it will then work. So I will make a new one, and I will just type away. As you can see, it works. Very easy. Very responsive. The cap lock over here, the capital letter thing. Yeah, I'm not sure what that's called. Is a bit. What's the word? I don't know. It's a bit unreliable sometimes. Yeah, it's a bit unreliable. Sometimes, like if you did it, look now it's a green light. If I just tapped it like that, sometimes it won't actually do it, so that's a bit annoying. But I do like this Click Chip keyboard. It's very nice. It's nice and slim, as you can see. To show you how slim that is. It's so slim. Yeah, but it's nice. It's got a nice angle to it because of this red round thingy. And you can also use it for your iPad. You can also use it on Pages, as well as some other apps like on the internet, and you basically use it for anything that you'd actually type on. So if I went into Pages over here, when like you normally type on the keyboard, so it's just an essay that I did. So normally a keyboard will pop up over here, but this time it doesn't. You just type on here, and it works, and all sorts. You can just tap around. By no means is the iPad and the keyboard a replacement for a laptop, but it's quite nice to have. So I'll just put this away now. I think it's off. Yup, right. Put that over there with my wall of Apple stuff. Yeah, but it's really nice. My whole review of this keyboard, I'll just turn it off so you look at the green light, and then it just goes off. Battery life's good on this as well, so my whole overview of this is that it's a really good keyboard. It's nice to use with your iPad, your iMac. It's definitely better than like the ones that you can get for like £5 or £10. But it did cost, I think, if I am right, because I'm not sure how much it was, but I'm pretty sure it's something like £65 in the UK. I'm not sure what that is in dollars, so in the US normally price is slightly different depending on like the exchange rate and all sorts. But in the UK it's £65, which is a bit steep because it is made out of aluminium and all sorts. I mean, it's basically made of plastic sometimes. Whole back's plastic. It's not as aluminium based as the iPad or the iMac or something like that. But it is very good. It's very sleek. It's very stylish. Apple made it with style in mind, just like all of their products. Yeah, but it's very good. A normal Apple product. Very good. Very stylish. Just very nice to use. Very reliable as well. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. Just been a review of the Apple wireless keyboard. I'll definitely recommend you get it. So please comment, rate, subscribe, have a look at my unboxing of this. So thanks for watching, bye.